Lately, I've been reminiscing about the career and the advocacy I have taken on. And I have to ask myself, is all this just some steamy pile? There are holes in this industry, especially in North America, you could drive a cruise ship through. The kind of ship you'd love to take that dream vacation on. The kind most appliance service technicians look at the price of and quietly close the tab. And yet, today, I can make a strong case that a young person entering this trade retires with more lifetime earnings than a lot of people who took the degree in debt. I'm not feeling sorry for myself as I look at my own numbers. I'm going to put some slides up. You judge for yourself. The rub is who's actually applying. It isn't the 18 or 20-year-old who could look at this subjectively and play the long game. The applicant is closer to 40. They've tried some things, and then they land on something that finally interests them. They also come with bills, expenses, and a life already running. The first 5 years, the years it takes to get experience enough to be genuinely profitable, are a rough, rocky road to walk with all that weight on your back. I've hired plenty of these applicants, and for all my efforts, only a few are still here doing the work, earning the income. I warn them going in. I tell them the truth. The truth is the truth, even when I want it to be otherwise. Most don't make it. The pressure of those first years is just too much. The ones who stick are the ones I get all the way into a good career. There aren't many. You've heard this from me before. The appliance technician is badly needed, and the trade is due for some respect it doesn't get. In North America, we don't protect this industry, we denigrate it. Yes, I'm looking at you. Where there are minimum standards, they're not enforced. Large parts of this industry would happily replace every broken machine instead of fixing it for all the wrong reasons. So why would any honest person walk into the profession I just described? Because there's a renaissance. You can make it out from the bow if you look through the mist. Bosch, Sub-Zero, and others are working to build and hold a core of professionals who can service their products because they need that core to protect the brand. If customers are finally fed up with good enough and start wanting better, the appliance trade has a door open in front of it. I probably won't walk through it myself. The ones who stuck it out, they will. So, what does it take to set yourself up for a 30-year run or even a lifetime? First, patience. As of today, you can't buy experience. The only way to get it is find a mentor, get to work, and learn from the tools in your hands. Second, an honest acknowledgement that you're signing up to be a lifetime earner. Third, take deliberate care of your body. This trade doesn't break people young the way some heavy construction trades do, but it isn't free either. Be smart about hero lifting. An oven dolly isn't a sign of weakness, it's a career saver. Pad the floor, stay off your knees as much as possible, and use the time between calls to reset your body, your mind, and your emotions. Look out for the mental and emotional strain as well. I have said for years my customers are happy to see me come, they're happy to see me go, and they desperately hope they never see me again. And it's not just because I'm hard to look at, it's because I come with a bill. And nothing unsettles a household like an unexpected repair cost. It's not personal, it's institutional. If you remember nothing else, especially if you're in this industry, remember this. The customer's frustration and disappointed might be pointed right at you, but it's not about you, not by a long shot. On many days, you get to be a hero, doing something society has completely forgotten how to. Hang on to that feeling. If you don't, this job will chip away at your self esteem. Look after yourself, and you can work comfortably into your 70s. By then, you're experienced, established, and sitting among the top earners of this profession. And the best part is you got there without spending the first 20 years of your life paying off a student loan.
Oh my. Isn't appliance repair supposed to be easy? I have questions. Perhaps you do too? Hey Christine, how is life on the beach?
Jordan, buddy, no need to ask. Thank you, all of you who made it here. It means a lot. Do you want more about mental emotional health in the appliance service industry? If so, please drop a comment below. See you next time.